Present progressive. What are verb tenses? Verb tenses show the time that an action takes place. The present progressive is a verb tense. We use the present progressive tense for an action that is happening now. A present progressive verb is a continuing action. For example, I am eating dinner. I am playing basketball now. I am texting my friend now. We use be and ing verb to form the present progressive. Which form of be do we use? That depends on the subject of the sentence. Subjects can be pronouns. Subjects can also be nouns. Be changes forms for different subject pronouns. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. I am eating pizza. You are sleeping. He is making dinner right now. She is riding a bike. It is raining today. We are watching TV now. They are playing basketball. We use are plus ing verb when the subject noun is plural. The students are doing their homework now. My parents are driving to work. We use is plus ing verb when the subject noun is singular. The student is walking to school now. My dog is sleeping on my bed. We also use is plus ing verb when the subject noun is non-count. Water is dripping from the faucet. The ice cream is melting. Look at the picture and say or write a present progressive sentence. For example, you are eating dinner. Now you try.